So yo, what's up guys, my name is Barnett, back here another one, and today guys, me and Beastly, Hunter and Gamer back out here today, and we're going to be doing this challenge. It's going to be a 1v1 micro crankbait challenge. So here's like my finger compared to some of these, like they're itty bitty. So we're both going to tie on one. We're going to see who can catch the first fish on it. So Beastly, I guess I'll let you pick first.
What one do you think that would work best, because you've had more experience with these?
I would probably say this one.
You catch more fish on this one?
Yep. But me personally today, guys, I'm going to go top water. So let's go tie these bad boys on, see what they do. And if you guys are curious where we got all these crawdads, these grasshoppers, these crickets, and all this stuff, we got them all at Mystery Tackle Box. So go check it out. It's a really cool website. So yeah, guys, go check out Mystery Tackle Box. It really is a cool little company. You'll love their products and stuff. So the lure that Beastly and Hunter is using right now is like a little crankbait, pretty much. I'm using a topwater grasshopper, so you can reel it in like a crankbait, but then it's also a topwater lure. So we're gonna give this thing a try, see what we can get. First cast. Oh, like a beauty. Yeah, guys, I don't think this is gonna work because I don't know. Might have to go switch out to this thing right here. It's the crawdad. I'm gonna have to switch over to this big old heavy thing, this swim bait. Yeah, I'm gonna switch over to the big old heavy swim bait, just because I'm pretty confident I'm not gonna catch anything with this grasshopper. No, today is not for top water.
Got him. Whoa, what is it? Dogfish! Dude, dogfish! You're pike.
Hand. Look at this, guys. Beastly just caught a pike. Oh my goodness. Beastly just caught a pike. Hand.
Did it break your rod?
No. Oh my goodness, guys, look at this.
But it broke my rod.
We got the hook back though, guys, look. Beastly just caught a northern pike.
First pike ever.
Heck yeah. There's a micro crankbait right in his mouth.
Pike is about the best fish that we could have caught.
Dude, I'm gonna measure him up real quick. If he's measuring size, I'm gonna keep him. That's dinner for the night, boys.
If he's a little bit under, we could probably keep him.
Okay, guys, so me and Beastly just measured this pike, and he's right at keeping size. Legal keeping size, at least. So we're gonna take him, show you how to cut his gills, and I'll show you how to string them up. What you do is you take a rope, you run it through their gills. Okay guys, so now I have it through the fish's gills. So now we're just going to tie a simple knot. I'm going to hold this fish on here so he can't swim away. And now we're going to cut his gills. So warning, if you don't like blood, don't watch this part. You want to take a sharp knife of some sort. You want to grab your fish. Or you take them right here. Right where this main bloodline is. Right up in here. You just want to slit this. Yeah, so there you go. I cut his gills. He's bleeding out now. Now what you want to do is just go take your fish and set him in some really nice fresh water. Some water that he can sit off and clean in. So just toss him right over here. Right back in this, right where he was caught. Tie another simple little knot. Just to hold. I need to catch me a gill or a bass.
Should be worth 2 points, not 1.
How about this? Bass is worth 3. Pike's worth 5, dogfish is 2, panfish is 1. Okay guys, so I just broke off my minnow, so now I'm throwing on a crawdad. Well, boys, I think we're gonna call her a day for the day. It's kind of probably about 110 degrees at least. That's what it feels like outside right now. So I can't bear the heat right now. I'm just sweating up a storm. It's way too hot out here. So we're gonna bring this pike back to the house, guys. Me and Beastly are gonna cook them up, eat them up for lunch. So I hope you guys did enjoy this video. And if you guys did, please smash that like button, subscribe, leave a comment down below what type of videos you guys want next. Peace out and have an amazing rest of your guys' day.